Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the town of Brownhills in the West Midlands, where an unexpected sinkhole has forced the closure of the high street, causing major disruption for local residents, businesses and motorists. In this video, we'll take a walk through the town centre to see the affected area, look at the road closures, and find out how the diversion routes are impacting traffic on the surrounding streets. I'll also show you the latest conditions and give you a first-hand look at what's happening on the ground. If you enjoy walking tours, local news, and exploring towns across the UK, you're in the right place. So sit back, relax, and let's head into Brownhills to see what's been happening. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Now, let's get started. This is the normally quiet road that runs parallel to the high street with diverted traffic, causing havoc with supermarket traffic trying to exit the car park. This chaos is not expected to end anytime soon, as repairs are expected to take some time.